poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, as you guys can see on the title, we are unboxing the Nike Dunk Off-White Lot 3 out of 50. Can you guys believe Virgil really dropped 50 kinds of dunks? Not 10, not 20, not 30, not 40, 50. That is a lot of shoes. Anyways, as you guys know, I do have these Nike Dunks right here. I love this baby right here, but you know, sometimes you want some neutral color. This is way out there. Like,
actually, it matches me right now. I should probably wear it.
I kind of like the idea that he dropped all grays with like some pop of color. Also, I do want to say a special thank you to Yes Yeezy Shoes. They're the one that sent this shoe right here. So if you guys want to check them out, I will leave their information down below, just in case you guys are wanting the same shoe right here. Alright, before we open this box right here, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. You guys already know the drill. Let's open this. So it came on a FedEx box right here. Okay, so it came protectively. Oh my gosh, I can kind of see the box right there. Ooh, look at the box. You guys know we love a bubble wrap. Why do I say bubble wrap? Bubble wrap. Look at that. Wow. Are you serious? I don't know about you, but this reminds me of cheese. Is it just me? It's so nice. I like it. You guys know how I like my special box, because in reality, if I didn't have this storage right here, I wouldn't know which shoes I have, and the only thing that I can identify what shoes are inside of the shoebox are the shoe boxes.
Does that make sense?
So it looks like we do have some signature off-white holes right here. You guys already know. Look how perfect that hose looks like. We do have a Nike swoosh right here and the illusion of the tape right here. Is it real tape? I have no idea. So what we have right here, we do have the lots, which is 1 through 50. Crazy. And on the other side, we do have a regular Nike tag. And this is what the back looks like. I am just so surprised. This looks amazing. Oh gosh. Here you go. This is what the paper looks like. Are you serious? There's no way. Ooh, this is some crazy shoe. 3 of 50 right there. Actually, I didn't know this toe right here is a canvas. It's not leather. Now I'm gonna go change after this video and wear this today. It doesn't smell bad. It smells so good. Let's take a look at the other one. Oh my gosh. I'm just so excited how good looking these are. I am loving the gray and the purples together. So these babies right here was released on August 9, 2021, and it had a retail price of $180. I don't know about you, but I feel like the $180 is way too high for a retail price, but that's just me because I'm cheap. This Off-White and Nike Dunk Low is taken from the Dear Summer collection. This is definitely a follow-up to Virgil's Nike Dunk collaboration from 2019. The low top makes use of a white leather upper with soft gray canvas overlays, along with Virgil Abloh's calling card flourishes, which includes a plastic zip tie and printed Helvetica text. Contrasting pops of color arrive via the sneaker's secondary lacing system, zip tie, an exposed foam tongue, and rectangular tab affixed to the swoosh. All I can say is this is definitely a great addition to our collection. I can easily wear these because it is not a crazy color. You guys know I love this shoe right here, but I wouldn't mind a neutral version of this shoe right here. We do have some bass gray, white, sail, and of course the lilac slash purpley color. There's lilac right here and a deep purple on the tongue. We have some silver writings and we have a neon tag on the back. This has so many materials that it surprised me how it kind of all worked out. Like, it still shocks me how the toe is canvas, not an actual leather. But we do have some leather canvas, you guys already know. We do have a plastic zip tie, of course the signature foam, and then the inside of this has a leather inside. So right now, looking at StockX, this can go up to $350 to $1,500. I know it's a big gap, but apparently size 10.5, they are willing to pay $1,500. You guys, I'm not gonna make this any longer. Let's take a look at some montages.
I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. And somebody so messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, you fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. All I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping the thigh.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. What do you guys think about the shoe? Did you guys cop any of the lots? And of course, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!